In this video, I am going to show you how to reset your laptop without deleting your files. So this can be really useful if you are having an issue with your computer and reset the settings back to their original defaults. Now to do this, you need to open up your start menu. You can then search for settings and click on the settings. Over on the left hand side, click on system. And now you have to scroll down this page and click on recovery. Next to the reset this PC and click reset PC. And you will have two options to either keep your files or to remove everything. Obviously we want to keep our files, so go and click on keep my files. And this will reinstall Windows. Now you have to select one of the options here. You can either cloud download or local reinstall here. Now I would recommend doing a cloud download, but if this doesn't work, you can always do the local reinstall as well. As you can see here, this will reset all of your settings back to its original defaults. All of your personal documents and data is going to be completely safe. So all of your photos and videos, these won't be deleted. Just do bear in mind that any third-party applications that you may have installed onto this computer, these will be uninstalled and you will need to go and reinstall them after you have done this.